Here's the UK and Ireland weather forecast for this coming June the 19th to the 21st, 2013. That would be this Wednesday through until Friday. Let's take a look then at the Tuesday's high temperatures. 23 degrees in Keswick and Manchester, and low 20s elsewhere, with an average of 17.6 across the UK and Ireland. The low temperatures on Tuesday morning were around 7 degrees in the Scottish Islands, and 8 degrees in many places in the Republic of Ireland and in northern England and Wales, with an average of 11.5 elsewhere. Very warm temperatures in some places overnight, and the warm temperatures are going to remain particularly on Wednesday. There are a lot of cloud and a lot of rain, thundery showers at times as well, coming up for England in particular more than anywhere else. Looking at the current pressure patterns, low temperatures just got the edge over high pressure at the moment, and that means that we're going to see more unsettled weather with the high pressure still way out over in the Azores, the centre of that at least. So let's take a look at Wednesday. Lots of heavy showers in the southeast in the morning, clearing away mostly towards the afternoon, and it could be thundery as well in the morning, but elsewhere it's going to be partly cloudy skies, and it's going to be very warm, particularly towards the south and southeast of England in particular, where we'll see high temperatures of around 26 degrees Celsius. That'd be 79 degrees Fahrenheit. Just a little bit cooler under the clouds in the morning, though it will be overcast throughout the day towards the southeast. Looking at Wednesday night, the rain will be continuing, or rather moving back over the southern part of England and Wales over Wednesday night. The heaviest of it will probably be towards southern England into South Wales as well. So say a swathe from around Cardiff to the Southampton area overnight will probably have the worst of the weather. Further north, less rain, less cloud as well for parts of northern England, with low temperatures of around 9 to 11 degrees in Scotland, but perhaps not even any lower than 16 degrees in parts of southern England on Wednesday night. Looking at Thursday, you can see not a very pleasant scenario playing into effect here. Lots of rain on Thursday, perhaps even thunderstorms as well, particularly around the Greater London area, and perhaps towards just further north of that, maybe in Hertfordshire, we'll see some thunderstorms in particular on Thursday during the day. The best of the weather will probably be seen in eastern parts of Ireland, around the Dublin area. Probably the best of the weather for the whole of the British Isles will be seen there on Thursday, and probably the best temperatures as well, around 20 degrees being the high, 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Looking at Thursday night, the rain is continuing for most, if not all areas. Very few places getting away in that 24-hour period without any rain. But for Thursday night, the southeast might get away from the rain, but staying overcast everywhere. Virtually, and towards the northern reaches of Scotland as well, it will probably remain dry but overcast. And we're looking at low temperatures on Thursday night. Pretty much everywhere should be in double figures, around a low of 10 degrees in the Scottish Highlands, but some places not below 14. And looking at Friday's weather, I'm afraid to say that the wet weather is certainly continuing. Lots of rain, persistent and heavy as well, particularly in northern parts of Ireland, into Northern Ireland, and for parts of northern England and southern parts of Scotland as well. We'll probably see the worst of the weather, but virtually everywhere is going to be wet. More towards drizzle towards the southeast of England, and that's where we'll see the highest temperature on Friday, probably around 19 degrees Celsius. That's 66 degrees Fahrenheit. Most, if not all, areas should get to 15 or above. And looking at Friday night, that is still continuing with the heavy rain here towards western parts of England. We'll probably see the worst of it, and Ireland as well. We'll see lots of heavy rain over Friday night. Into Wales as well, we'll see rain here. And probably the best areas would be again towards the southeast of England, the very southeast, and northern parts of Scotland, where we'll see light drizzle or maybe no rain at all towards the very north of Scotland, with low temperatures of around 9 to 10 degrees, generally around central and northern Scotland, but in some areas not getting below 13. And looking at the extended forecast, it seems to be fairly mixed at the moment. We'll probably see lots of more unsettled weather on the way, unfortunately, but definitely make the most of any sunshine that does occur, because there'll probably be some warm temperatures that come out of that. The website's force13.com, and I'll be back with another weather forecast in around 2 or 3 days' time.